Number 9, work creatively and work consistently. Be dependable, be predictable. Now, be predictable sounds like a quality that many people don't want to have. And they boast, the way I am, I'm very predictable. We work very creatively, so you may not, no, I don't want unpredictable people. I want to be able to predict your results. That's what I'm saying. Let people know that if I give Apeh a job, he will get it done. He will get it done well. He will get it done on time. And he will get it done with integrity. So you've got to be predictable. Because when people refer you for jobs, they are depending on your predictable side. They know that if this woman calls you, you will respect them. They know that if this client calls you, you will do well. If they cannot predict you, they can't trust you to refer you. They may be able to adjust to your unpredictable nature as one client, but they will never refer you because not everybody can deal with an unpredictable solution provider. And then the last thing, okay, so I said on this point as well, be a thinker and always find a way to find new solutions to old problems and also find a way to enhance old solutions. So wherever you are as a business person, whether you are working for yourself or working for someone else, always be that guy that they know to provide new solutions to old problems. And the guy that has a way of making old solutions look like new problems. Did you get that? Because he's a thinker and then he's a go-to guy. What's a go-to guy? Every time you want something done, you want to call him. And everybody else in your office think that you are wasting your time. Making it work, we'll go there chill. But a day will come when the promotion comes too, it's you they will call. Once you're the go-to guy, they always come to you whenever there's a prospect. Sometimes even your enemies will call you. Because, you're the go-to guy. They don't like you, but, you're the one to go to. You see my point? Come on, say work.